Hello world, welcome back to codingscientist.com. We are on project number 29. In this project, we are going to build a scientific GUI calculator. One of the previous lessons, I showed you how to build a simple calculator, right? A very simple GUI calculator. But in this video, it's more colorful, graphical, and scientific, right? In the previous calculator, we never included a scientific calculation. But here, in this particular project, we are including the scientific calculation as well. So what exactly is the scientific calculation? So basically, it's a simple GUI based project which is very easy to understand and use. Also, this project makes it convenient way for the user to gain an idea of how to perform a numerical calculation. This particular code, this about 200 lines of code, contains the numbers, operators, signs, like on a normal calculator. So the user can actually enter any number or can just click on the numbers they want in the calculation, and then the calculation happens, of course. Now, about the features of this particular app, what happens is, again, this particular Python application is designed to calculate entering numbers to any operations, any scientific operation, and it is also capable of handling all types of exception handling, right? Exception handling is a pretty complex methods in Python or any other programming language, which I'll show you probably in detail in the later on in the future lessons. This is also design of the system is pretty simple so that the user won't have any difficulties at all. So you may take a look at the entire. I'm not going to explain the details about the code because obviously it took a lot of time to build, but if you understand the logic, you can build it yourself. It's about 200 lines of code, and there are ton loads of uh, functions and the definitions and the logics. Everything is included in this. If you have any questions, you can obviously reach me out and I'll be glad to help you. Now let's run this program, guys. So let me run it. There you go. You can see a beautiful little colorful GUI app. So this is the power of Tkinter, guys. I mean, it's really a powerful library. You can do ton loads of things using this, app. Let's do some calculation. 9 plus 6. There you go. Let's say, let me clear this. 72 degree 4. That's pretty good. There are ton loads of other features. Let's create a scientific feature and percentage of 8 5. That's good, pretty good. All right, guys. So you can take a look at the code on my GitHub. It's pretty little complex. I wouldn't say it's very easy, but I can help you, walk you through line by line and start building this app for you from the scratch. I can definitely help you out. You can go ahead and set up a one-on-one meeting with me. I will be glad to help you and assist you. Goodbye. See you.